How to reset Control Center on iPhone. Today, I'll show you how to reset the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've customized it and want to return to the default settings, it's super easy. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Control Center. At the bottom, you'll see the option to reset Control Center. Tap it and confirm the reset. This will restore the Control Center to its original layout, removing all customizations. If you're using iOS 18.0 or an earlier version, the reset option won't be available, but you can still customize the Control Center manually. Open Settings, go to Control Center, and select Customize Controls. Use the minus button to remove controls or the plus button to add them back. For a complete reset, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap General, and select Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings and confirm. Keep in mind this will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, so proceed carefully. That's how you can reset or customize your Control Center on iOS 18. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.